If your money disappears 2 days before payday, you don't have a spending problem. You have a budgeting problem. So let's fix that. Peace, family. It's your boy Treetop Chris checking in, and welcome back to Treetop Finance, where we talk about everything finance, as well as wealth building strategies and credit funding. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 strategies to build wealth. Whether you're bringing in $3,000, $5,000, or $8,000 a month, less or more, I promise there's a system in here that fits your lifestyle. Budgeting isn't about saying no to brunch, vacations, self-care. It's about saying yes to your future, yes to your dream house, that debt-free feeling, that generational wealth. So let's tap in. Okay, family, let's jump right into strategy number 1. We're gonna call this the 50, 30, and 20 rule. This one's simple. Needs, wants, savings, great starter budget. If your rent and your bills are manageable, the system lets you enjoy life while still stacking a little something. But if your needs are closer to 70%, hang tight, I got something for you. But for now, let's talk about that 50, 30, and 20 plan. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and debt payoff. It's clean, it's easy to track, and it gives you breathing room. But if your rent alone is killing you again, this one might feel a little tight. So keep that in mind using the 50, 30, and 20 rule. Now let's pivot over to the 70, 20, and 10 rule. 70% to needs, 20% to savings, and 10% to giving. This one's for my parents, caretakers, or for people who live in high cost areas. It makes space for real life expenses while still building for the future. This one's really for the folks with, more responsibilities. Like if you got family, daycare, higher cost living. This gives you more space. And that 10% to giving, that's legacy energy. Generosity keeps your mindset in abundance, not survival. Third strategy, pay yourself first. It's that big money energy. Soon as your check hits, boom, savings and investment go out before the bills. Whatever's left, that's the spending money. So think of it this way, really. Before anything else hits, you get paid first. Pull your 10, 20, maybe even 30% for savings and investments up front. Remember, you're paying yourself first. Savings and investments are paying yourself. The rest is for bills and fun. This is how you train your money to work for you, not just flow through you. Number 4, envelope budget. Old school, but it still works. Whether it's actual envelopes or apps like Go Budget or envelopes, this system gives your money limits, and the limits give your money purpose. Swipe culture got us messed up for real. This one's for people who overspend without realizing it, using all these different apps. Envelopes, physical or digital, put walls around your money. Once the fun envelope is empty, it's a wrap. No overdrafts, no games. Your money's gone. The envelope's empty. Fifth and final plan, the 60-40 plan. This is best for high earners. 60% goes to bills or fixed bills, 40% goes to savings and investing or lifestyle spending. This one's flexible but requires a lot of discipline. No blowing the whole 40% on vibes. It's not going to work in this plan. If you're earning like $6,000, $8,000 or more a month, this one gives you freedom with boundary. Stack 40% for your future. Travel, Roth, IRAs, investments, IULs, while keeping essentials in check. Just don't let that lifestyle creep sneak in. And that's another video that we're going to have to come up with. That lifestyle creep is very important. So which one's for you? If you're drowning in debt, pay yourself first. If your bills are eating you up, 70, 20, and 10 might be a little bit better for your situation. If you need balance, 50, 30, and 20. If you want total control, like in reality, you can touch your money, envelopes. If you're making big money, the 60-40 split probably be the best for you. Really, there's no one size fits all. Try them out, test it for 30 days, track your progress. You might start with the 50, 30, and 20 and graduate to the pay yourself first. Once the savings muscle gets a little stronger, the key is start somewhere. Really, the question is, which budgeting strategy are you using right now? Or which one you think fits your lifestyle best? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how you're thinking about your money like right now. So the comments will help me figure that out and help you be a little bit more accountable. The right system is the one you actually stick to. Try one this month, track your progress, adjust next month. Budgeting really is a skill, it's not a sentence. All right, family, that's a wrap. If you got value from this, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and share it with somebody who's ready to grow their finances in the way that we do here at Treetop Finance. Until next time, keep planting those seeds, keep building, and remember, protect the trees at all costs. If you grow, we all grow together. If you need a budgeting template or a strategy guide or something like that, I'm gonna drop one in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. How to create a bulletproof budget using 50, 30, and 20, or the 70, 20, and 10 rule. Let's get it.